Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Holy moly, we've got a family model right here that is unbelievable. It is a 2025 Grand Design Imagine, model number 3210BH. So let's get started. The length on this Imagine is 36 feet 8 inches. The dry weight is 8,650 with a hitch weight of 947. Now it's got a GVWR of 10,195. Wow, we saw this one on the lot and said, oh yeah.
Yeah, we really wanted to show this one to you. I'm pretty sure this is a new floor plan. I know we have not seen it before. And we're also excited to show you the newer, updated 2025 graphics. Now,
Yes.
This one next to us is also a 25 model, but it's an early 25. So this is the newer. So this is the newer graphic package. All right, we're going to start right up here at the front. Of course, your propane is going to go under this cover. It is going to have an electric jack here. Now, if you are interested in trailer hitch locks, hang around to the end of our video. We've got a great product by Proven Industry.
Yeah, thank them for partnering with J&A.
All right, right up here. Real quick, I'm going to show you, this does have manual stabilizers, which I'm a little disappointed on this one because it's big. I think it should have electric, but that's my opinion. Right next to it is your sewer caddy. All of your hookups are going to be right in here. You do have a really nice big storage area, and it is prepped for tire link.
God, what a door.
Yeah, it's got a nice thick door to it. Coming on down, your dump area is right there. Let's see, and this is going to have rack and pinion slides.
Oh,
They give you an outside light.
I like that.
I like that a whole lot.
We have had to leave out in the dark one time.
Yes, and an outside light would have been really nice. This is going to have the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension on it. And let's see, the red hubs mean that it has
Anti-lock brakes.
anti-lock brakes. Okay, here at the back, you do have a little storage area back here. This is going to be perfect for if you carry lights and things like that.
Tankless water heater.
Yes, it is. Looking at the back, you do have a ladder to access your roof. It's going to be prepped for a backup camera. And look, you got a cute little door. That's my size door. There's your little sneak peek.
I think you can give it a kayak colonoscopy.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
We're not going to show you anything else, so you got to wait till the inside. You are going to have a hitch down here that is only for an accessory rack. It is not for towing. Here on your campsite, you have a little mini outside kitchen. So you've got your fridge. However, this is a bigger griddle than what you usually see.
Yeah.
So it's actually a good size griddle. And up here you see that you do have power. You actually have a light for outside. Your quick connect for this is going to be right down below it. So yeah, and oh, that is neat. They give you a little flippy up thing there.
Mm-hmm.
Like
And then I think it pulls out some more, but
yeah,
I haven't figured that out yet.
very nice. Okay, your awnings. It's got 2 power awnings. They are actually the same length. They are 9. What did you say they were? 9 feet 6 inches. So they are both the same size. Coming on down, they give you another outside outlet and a place to hook up a TV. And this side of your pass-through, just in case you want to see what this side looks like. And another plug-in. This is going to have 2 entries, but we are going to go into the one back here with the solid steps.
So if anybody watches the YouTube channel Wandering Weekend, Corey and his family helped Grand Design design this. So there you go.
Yes, and I know we like it, so I'm pretty sure that you guys will too. Coming in, we're just going to give a quick look this way. All right. Right off the bat, probably one of the first things you're going to notice is the flooring. It doesn't have your traditional wood look floor. It actually has more like a tile, which I really
I
like.
kind of like it.
I like it a lot. Well, you're over here, so let's just start on this front slide. It is a nice big slide, and you will see that you actually have 2 sets of theater seats. That is amazing.
Love that.
So, yeah, they're just gonna have, let me get this pulled down, cup holders in the middle of both of them. And, oh, is this your wireless?
Yeah.
Yeah, wireless charging right there in the middle.
And I know why they done this, because Corey wanted a seat for everybody in the family to watch TV.
Yes, it is disappointing when you come into one and it only has enough room for 2 people to sit down.
Yeah.
So this is awesome. Now this is going to have parachute pulls to recline. Now when you sit in these, you're going to be across from your TV, so it is mounted up above your dinette. This looks like a 40...
About 40 inch? 42? Yeah.
Looks like you got some storage on both sides there.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And there's where your radio is.
On that side. And of course your dinette, this will make additional sleeping if you need it to, and you've got some storage underneath. You do have a plug-in on that side.
And I love the free-floating table.
Exactly. So you can move it. You can take it outside if
Yeah.
you really want to. While we're standing here next to it, this area right here does have solid surface countertops. You got 3 drawers, some wireless charging, some plug-ins. So this could be your coffee bar, or if you take air fryers or crock pots, anything with you, great place for it. Storage up above. And I am right underneath this. I'm going to show you this JBL speaker.
Okay.
Now, coming on into the main part of the kitchen, where your microwave. Got some storage next to that. Got a little storage all the way around your oven. That's got the neat pegs in it, so that keeps your pots from sliding around. 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and that is also a solid surface around that. You are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge.
And it's probably on.
And it is, of course it's on.
There. It's probably draining our
It's
battery.
draining the battery. And right next to that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you almost missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually, it blends in so very well. So you do have a bit of a pantry right there.
All right.
Now in the center, you do have a good size island. You got some hooks right here at the end. Big solid, it is solid surface. A big single bowl sink, high-rise faucet. Plenty of room underneath for your garbage can. And then you've got some drawers right there.
Wow. This is actually set up really nice.
It is. So, you know, here in your living area, you've got all your seating, your dining area, and then you've got a lot of floor space out here, so you've got plenty of room to move around. Now, let's go to the very back. This is going to give you a bunk room. So, you actually have 4 bunks. You have 2 on each side.
Let me just open these.
And then you got all of this storage underneath. That is amazing. Now remember, your outside kitchen is on this other side.
There's that nice door. I love this door. You
Yeah.
can throw stuff in here.
Yeah, so bikes, you could probably, pretty sure you could get a kayak in here if you needed to.
Then this one folds up, gets out of the way, and then you can bring it back down.
I don't see the weight limit on this. I know there is one, but I don't see it posted anywhere.
250 pounds.
Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Just guessing.
You got a light switch. You got USB.
I'll just say, if Corey, if you're watching this, tell us what the
Tell us what the weight limit is. Let me turn around over here. Another USB. And then down here on your bottom bunks, you're going to have power and a light on both of them.
Wow.
And this has a fan back here. So I feel like you could add a third AC if you really wanted to, but definitely check with your dealership before you start doing that. Okay. I feel like there's so much to show you in this one, and we're only halfway done. So let's get to the bathroom. Now, I know there's people that do not like a walk-through bath. We have one. We love it.
Wow.
Yeah. So Jerry's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight, and the shower is going to be a 36 by
30.
30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
30 by 36. You said that backwards.
Oh, well, sorry.
Yeah.
So, yeah, great size shower. Porcelain foot flush toilet that's on an angle. You actually have really good counter area around your sink. Not a whole lot of storage down here, but you've got some access panels there.
Oh, like this. Solid
Mirrored
surface.
medicine cabinet. Yeah, solid surface in the bathroom. You don't see that very often.
Look at here.
But then, oh, look, there's a plunger.
Yeah.
And I know some people are going to say, oh, pass-through bath, walk-through bath. It shouldn't. And it is small. This is a small bath. But the way it's laid out,
it's very nice.
You actually have really good floor space in here. And actually 2 people could get in here at the same time if they need to.
Very good.
Moving into your main bedroom, you're going to have a queen size north-south bed. I love that they give you reading lights up here. You've got cubbies on both sides. It's going to have power and USB in them. You've got storage up above. You've got hanging over here, and then
I love these drawers.
you have
like
drawers.
This.
So yeah, hanging and 2 drawers, and that's going to be on both sides. I know there's a plug-in.
Plug in
down
right there, yes.
And yes, plug in on this side also.
Yeah, and USB and C back here.
Pretty sure there's going to be some. Yeah.
Oh,
storage,
yeah.
And they give you a little sliding drawer in there.
Cool.
Very nice. You do have your second entry here. Your AC unit, because this one does have your second AC in here. And to finish out the bedroom, if you want to add a TV, the backer is going to be located over there right above your window, ready for you to put it in there and head down the road. Towel bar. And these great LED light strips in here. So, hey, what do you guys think?
All right, everybody. If you like this Grand Design Imagine, nice bunk room. This is set up really great. So, if you like this one, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.